everyone, I scared Alice. Welcome back to mydadagaming. My name is Jesse. Today we're doing a home office tour. It's in my closet, guys. Stay tuned, I'm going to show you guys what it's about.
So I just wanted to give you guys like a pretty good close-up of what I have. I have things in here, guys. I got coffee, I got my drill, I got tape measures, I got stuff in there. I got my speaker up there kind of rigged in here. I got my fly killer shotgun salt blaster there at the bottom left. Got network switch on the right, laundry basket in the closet. Like, it's a real closet, guys. So yeah, make it happen.
Alright guys, so this is my desk. Normally, I keep this over here, I'll be honest. I kind of just push it that way because right here I have my work computer. I work from home, so I kind of had a necessity to make an office, and we have a 3-bedroom, 1-bath house. So it's not the biggest house in the world. It's not even like the most medium-sized house in the world. It's not the smallest either. I'm really thankful to have a home and, keep a roof over our head. Working from home has been very nice. My job allows me to do that. I do IT for a living, so doing that allows me to work from home in this situation that we're in with COVID and everything. So yeah, I've created my own little office setup. Before, all I had really was my Surface with this monitor, and it was kind of like just here on this desk. I didn't have these shelves, so I found, I repurposed them. We had a bookshelf, and we didn't use the bookshelf anymore. Or like we didn't need all the shelves, so like we just had extra shelving. So I got that, and it doesn't go, it's cut in the middle here, and you can see my LED strip. But that's why I put my Xbox here, was to kind of hide it. This is just some regular kind of shelf wood. You go buy this at your local hardware store or whatever. Rigged it up with some basic brackets. I put 3 of them here because of the weight of the iMac. I felt like, just to be safer than sorry, I would rather have some better support. Same with this side. Even though this monitor doesn't weigh too much, I kind of wanted some support. Now this is a new addition. I have yet to paint it. I think I am going to paint it white. I just put this in. Now this is not what obviously this is for. This is supposed to be, this had little knobs on it. I cut them off and kind of sanded them down a little bit, but I was going to put this kind of here as like a little block, so when I'm not working, I keep it there to kind of keep the surface from sliding out, you know what I mean? So I felt like that was kind of cool. I found it in the shed, and I was like, ooh, little shelf. So this, I used to have my Surface sitting right here, and it took up, some desk space. Actually, it was more like off to the side over here, and then I had some cables running this way, and it got a little ugly. Now these cables are the only cables that I allow to kind of be off. Reason being is because this is for my headset. So this Plantronics headset, by the way, guys, if you guys have any question on what any of this is that I have here, I'm more than happy to let you know what all I have. It actually really excites me to do that because I get really excited about like technology stuff, and my whole office setup here, I really enjoyed putting it together, and it's been kind of like an obsession of mine. Julia's kind of probably weirded out, but like, I don't know, it just is kind of cool. Having all your stuff nicely organized, especially if you work from home, or if you're a content creator, or if you're a video game player. Like I play Xbox a lot, as you can see. Like I do videos. I'm sure you guys obviously know I play video games, so I do that all from here. But then I also work from here as well, so I can switch my monitor if I wanted to. If I had my keyboard plugged into my USB hub, I could turn it on. It's my work stuff, so I'm probably not going to do that, but it'll default back to my Xbox here in a bit, I reckon. No, it doesn't, because I actually have a display plugged in. So as you can see, yeah, these are the only cables that I kind of have hanging about. Otherwise, they're not really in my way, because I just tuck them back here like that. And yeah, they're good to go. Now this little thing here is really cool. My LED lights that I put in here recently too. Once I put the shelves up, I was like, man, I can't really see my keyboard it's kind of dark in here otherwise, you know, and I keep this window closed most of the time. The blind, I mean, because it's on the east side and the sun rises, it gets really hot for me working in here. So I live in Arizona, it gets really hot. So I keep that closed. Got some LED lights. They are dimmable, so they have multiple variations of levels, you know, different levels of brightness. So it's pretty cool. If you need a link for that too, this is very affordable, guys. Very easy to do as well. The wires plug in. You just put it to a power source. Over there, I have an Ethernet switch. I don't really need it, but I have it just in case I need more things ran. My modem is up there. Kind of gave it some space to kind of get out to the house. Like I said, it's not the biggest house, but yeah. So I keep my stuff there. This is very, very new, guys. Like literally a couple days ago, I just did this. Yeah, I have my Xbox here. Normally when I'm playing, I'll put this down like this. The lights are dim. And then I have my tripod. Let me get that real quick. So I don't have a webcam per se, you know what I mean? So I downloaded this app on my iPhone. So when I'm streaming, I can have it here. I have a secondary iPhone, my older iPhone 7 Plus that I'm just repurposing now as my webcam. And I have Penelope really likes to look at herself and like videos of Santana, my niece, her cousin, and she's just obsessed with watching these videos back and forth, like she just loves watching them. So I have this one dumped with a bunch of photos, and we use it for that too. So it's kind of like an all-purpose phone now, but I use it as a webcam when I'm streaming, so I can control everything while I play whatever game that it is I'm playing, you know, for the day. So it's all pretty cool, you guys. I don't know, I really enjoy it. I got my drawer full of stuff here. An extra keyboard for this iMac specifically if I'm using that one for work and I want to look something up while I'm on break and I don't want to switch keyboards or something, you know, or if I'm on lunch and I want to do something and I don't want to take the cable out, it's just whatever, you know. But yeah, this is a pretty cool setup. I do have a gaming mouse here when I do get my gaming setup here.
Alright guys, I almost forgot to show you what underneath the shelf looks like. So you can see my LED light strips are just running across. I did feed them behind the brackets. There's my USB strip that I have running up into the Mac. Lights running up and over. There's my work computer.
It's actually running Windows 2, so you guys can see it's running Windows. It's an iMac and I've dual booted it too. So it's actually a pretty cool setup that I have. If I needed to run Mac, it's very easy to switch over. I can just restart in Mac OS. So pretty neat little setup I got created here. If you guys need any help, hints, tips, you know, how to like hide your wires even, you know, Velcro straps. I very much highly recommend Velcro because they're, you know, nice and easy to just undo, redo. You don't have to go out and buy zip ties, cut, you know, straighten them down, you know, tighten them down, cut them. You need to redo it, you got to cut them and then risk cutting a wire and stuff like that. So, yeah. Oh, this is pretty cool too. So I was going to show this off. So normally I'll have this on a power brick, but I'll just plug it in here for this. But I installed this HDMI switch as well. So I have a Fire Stick here, and I have an HDMI switch to the TV. I have my Fire Stick plugged in. So if I ever wanted to, like if I'm working on something here and this little girl wants to come and, you know, mess around with Dada and come and play the drums, I can very easily switch over to my Fire Stick, plug it in power. That's what this is, power to the Fire Stick. And then I can throw on whatever I want to throw on for her. So it's, yeah, it's pretty cool. It's very functional, a very functional, small, in the closet office. I'm looking back here at my vacuum and my steamer for my clothes that I used to have to steam when I would have to go into the office. So, but yeah, this is pretty cool, right? I mean, I got my Fire Stick, I got my computer to edit, stream. My iMac does whatever I need it to do. It has Windows as well. My Xbox One X webcam is literally an iPhone. I use an old-fashioned Mac keyboard. This is an older keyboard. Let me see. 2007 Apple trademark. This is model A1243. God, I can't remember how long I've had this, but it's been a while. So look that model number up if you found it. Let me know in the comments how old it is. I forget. So I prefer this one because it has the 10 key over this nice Bluetooth one, which is dope. It's very cool, compact, but the arrow keys are nice and they're like too small for me. It doesn't have a numbered pad, so like typing numbers up here is awkward. And then I just like the feel of this keyboard. I don't know. I like it. I have a nice Logitech Wave keyboard that I don't even use. It's up there somewhere. So yeah, that's my setup, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys liked that intro. I scared the hell out of that dog over there. So like the video if you haven't already. Subscribe to the channel. Welcome to mydadagaming. I don't know. Put in the comments what do you think I should give this squad a name. I was thinking the Dada Squad or Dada Squad or something like that. Put a comment down there. Tell me what you think I should name you guys. Everybody has like their own squad name. I want to have a squad name. Put in the comments. Let me know. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.